Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super interesting discussion that's been making waves on hacker news. The idea that LLMs, or large language models, actually reward expertise. It might sound counterintuitive to some, especially with all the talk about AI replacing jobs. But stick with me, because this perspective changes everything. Think about it. LLMs are powerful. Yes, but they're not omniscient. Their output is only as good as the data they're trained on and, crucially, the asterisk input they receive. This is precisely where human expertise shines. An expert knows precisely how to phrase a prompt, what specific context to provide, and what incisive follow-up questions to ask to extract truly valuable, nuanced information. They're not just throwing random queries at a black box. They're strategically guiding it with years of accumulated knowledge and experience. Imagine a highly experienced doctor using an LLM to quickly synthesize the latest medical research on a rare disease. A novice might get a general overview. An experienced physician, however, armed with years of clinical knowledge and deep understanding, can ask highly specific diagnostic questions, cross-reference subtle symptoms, and filter out less relevant information. The LLM then acts as an incredible accelerator for their existing knowledge. Not a replacement. This makes experts even more efficient, more capable of sifting through vast amounts of information and identifying critical insights in record time. This isn't just about faster research. It's about enhancing decision-making at every level. In highly specialized fields like law, advanced engineering, or scientific research, the ability to rapidly analyze complex datasets and identify critical patterns is invaluable. LLMs, when wielded by an expert, become superpowered assistants. They can draft initial legal documents, summarize lengthy scientific reports, or even identify potential flaws in an engineering argument. But ultimately, it's the human expert who provides the strategic direction, applies the ethical considerations, and delivers the final, critical judgment. So, while AI might make information more accessible to a broader audience, it simultaneously raises the bar for how that information is utilized and validated. The demand isn't for people who can just use an LLM. It's for people who can master it, people with the deep domain knowledge to push these tools to their limits and critically validate their outputs. It's a powerful call for critical thinking, specialized skills, and nuanced understanding, not less. This synergy creates a dynamic feedback loop where human insight improves AI, and AI, in turn, profoundly amplifies human insight and capability. What do you think about this profound shift? Are you ready to see expertise not just endure, but thrive in the age of AI? Let me know your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the cutting-edge future of technology.